Hello, welcome viewer. First of all, thanks for watching my channel. This is not calls providing channel. I have many doubts on the shares which I chose to trade. So I needed a sort of group discussion or suggestion to know what I think or pick stock to trade is right or wrong. So I need comments, suggestions, and support from your side. Thank you. Can Fin Homes Limited is a housing finance company. The company offers housing loan to individuals, housing loan to builders, developers, and loan against property. Its loan portfolio includes housing loans and non-housing loans. Its housing loan products include individual home loans and various schemes related to the construction or purchasing of properties. Its non-housing loans include mortgage loans, loans against commercial property, site loans, personal loans, flexi-lap and commercial housing loans. The company accepts deposits from the public, including fixed deposit and cumulative deposit. Under both types, it has general scheme, the senior citizen scheme and trust deposit scheme. Its deposits include fixed deposit scheme for senior citizens, cumulative deposit scheme for senior citizens, Canfin Trust fixed deposit scheme and Canfin Trust cumulative deposit scheme. It has approximately 170 branches, satellite offices distributed across over 19 states, union territories of India. Can Fin Homes Limited. Financial summary for the 6 months ended the 30th of September 2021, Can Fin Homes Ltd revenues decreased 12% to 9.19 billion rupees. Net income applicable to common stockholders increased 5% to 2.32 billion rupees. Revenues reflect net interest margin total percent decrease of 11% to 3.31%, net interest spread total percent decrease of 12% to 2.4%. Net income benefited from provision for loan losses decrease of 99% to 3.4 million rupees expense. Shareholding details. Promoters hold 29.99%, which is 39,930,365 shares. With no pledged shares. Foreign institutional investors hold only 2,000 shares. Domestic institutional investors' shareholding is 21.65%, which is 28,834,025 shares, in which mutual funds hold 19.19%, which is 25,553,853 shares. Others hold 48.36%, which is 64,387,735 shares. Can Fin Homes Limited has a median price target PF 674 rupees and 50 paise in 12 months by 12 analysts. They provide a high estimate of 950 rupees and low estimate of 527 rupees for the company. Top line contraction. Sales grew by 0.59%. The company witnessed revenue contraction for the first time in the last 3 years. Employee and interest expense. Company has spent 59.87% of its operating revenues towards interest expenses and 3.47% towards employee cost in the year ending March 2021. Source standalone financials. Reports from Economic Times. Stock returns versus Nifty Midcap 100. Stock gave a 3-year return of 130.87% as compared to Nifty Midcap 100, which gave a return of 77.26%. Stock return versus Nifty Financial Services. Stock generated 130.87% returns as compared to Nifty Financial Services, which gave investors 76.63% return over a 3 years time period. As of the last trading session, from the 4th of October 2021 to the 29th of October 2021, the stock gave a fall of 11.77%. According to the company's income statement, ending September 2021, total revenue 4,677,750,000 rupees. And net income is 1,088,500,000 rupees. In ending March 2021. Company's balance sheet shows ending September 2021. Total assets 237,982,130,000 rupees. And total liabilities 194,639,370,000 rupees. In the ending March 2021. Ending March 2021 net change in cash is minus 3,715,270,000 rupees. Simple moving average. Period 5. With a value of 612.23. Says buy. Period 10. With a value of 580.66. Says buy. Period 20. With a value of 490.65. Says buy. Period 50. With a value of 422.56. Says buy. Period 100. With a value of 318.27. Says buy. Period 200. With a value of 166.94. Says buy. Exponential moving average. Period 5. With a value of 620.58. Says buy. Period 10. With a value of 575.05. Says buy. Period 20. With a value of 518.95. Says buy. Period 50. With a value of 429.45. Says buy. Period 100. With a value of 341.98. Says buy. Period 200. With a value of 231.03. Says buy. Momentum oscillators. RSI 14 says buy with the value of 62.938. Stochastic 96 says buy with the value of 56.279. Stochastic RSI 14 says neutral with the value of 45.668. Williams %R says buy with a value of minus 27.491. CCI 14 says buy with a value of 134.5614. ROC says buy with value 53.157. Ultimate oscillator says buy with the value 58.186. Trend oscillators MACD 1226 says buy with the value 60.730. Bull Bear Power 13 says buy with the value 148.9820. This stock has less volatility with the value of 86.7571 says ATR 14. And highs low 14 says buy with value 52.2607. Technical analysis in the monthly chart shows moving average, momentum oscillators, trend oscillators, and volatility indicates strong buy, and the summary is strong buy. Can Fiend Homes Limited. According to me, the levels are 583, 722, 833. If we compare the Nifty Index daily chart, it broke the resistance level 1 in a short time period and touched resistance 2 level. So it took a break and came back to touch the support level 17,441, which has an effect on most of the stocks. Even in Can stock, it may take support at the level 583 to reach 722. This is my view, not recommendation. I need suggestions, comments, and support from your side. So please do the needful. Thank you, viewer.